Rigor offers a feature-rich loan origination system, also known as credit underwriting system, with many key functionalities and seamless integrations. If your organization is looking to digitize customer loan application evaluation journey, this is the ideal solution. LOS app helps in pooling all your customer applications at one place for applications which are sourced from different platforms like mobile or web apps. It not only helps you to evaluate customer applications, but LOS app comes with ready-to-use features like KYC integration, lead distribution, policy management, credit bureau integration, e-sign, NESH, etc. It can also be customized within a few days to meet your organization's requirement. Rigor offers upstream integration, a mobile app-based offering for customer acquisition as well. We provide 4 different options for upstream integration with front-end apps with LOS as shown in the chart. Login inside the Leads Management Portal. Customer loan application is fetched in the LOS from mobile or web application forms. LOS app provides a round-robin and manual method of leads distribution to analysts, CPA. On Open Tickets dashboard, all new and open cases are automatically stacked. Once we click on the case, review the case with various key information stacked under different tabs. Tabs are named as per the typical workflow of credit underwriting. The same can be customized as per organization's needs. For example, if your organization requires all KYC checks to be completed before pulling the CIBIL report, then accordingly such rules can be implemented. The first tab is that of the customer application form, where you can view, edit and update the customer information. The application form fields typically cover usual information points of any individual borrower like personal and demographic details. It also covers fields like employment, income and expense details, nature of loan requirement, banking details among others. New fields can be customized as per organization's requirement. The Summary tab is provided for getting a snapshot of only the critical information for the loan application, meant for managers' decision takers. Under Past Records, fetch all the past loan applications of the customer. This might be useful to check past decisions taken on the loan application and does it require a detailed review or can be declined swiftly. We offer a comprehensive KYC check for customer. The app provides ready integrations like PAN, Customer Image Match, Aadhaar for customer KYC verifications. Customers' GPS location and address etc. can be mapped for KYC verification as well. LOS also offers a policy section to set up rules for KYC compliance check. We provide multiple options for credit bureau integrations. You can now view customer credit track record data from CIBIL, Experian at your fingertips. You can also view old credit reports pulled for the case instead of pulling new reports every time. We use advanced analytics to provide a simplistic summary of the customer's current credit behavior. Key data points like total credit offtake over customer's lifetime, current credit outstanding, and many other key points are available. It also provides credit breakup across different credit types and total overdue amounts. You can validate customer KYC data with credit bureau reporting data as well. LOS app offers feature to communicate with customers through email embedded inside. Under checklist page, you can review all the key documents required like bank statement, salary slips, KYC docs, etc. We provide an inbuilt checker and review functionality where two people can check the documents for higher risk prudence. Under loan approval, the approver can make the offer to the customer. We provide a list of various credit policies for inbuilt algorithms to decide the rate of interest, processing fees and other for different category of cases. We provide option to send email intimatum to customers for loan approval. E-sanction letter and loan agreements are generated from LOS as well. All customer and agent consents are captured in logs for future reference. Analyst agents can move the case to different stages as per requirement and policy. Leads which are declined, we offer an exhaustive list of decline reasons across different category types. LOS offers Aadhaar OTP-based e-sign integration as part of the offering. Loan agreements generated within the LOS can be seamlessly e-signed with customer. LOS also offers seamless integration with two-way video KYC, also known as VCIP, for customer KYC fulfillments. As both eSign and VKYC are in-house products, there are no hassles for these key services integration. Rigor offers integration for Enash integration as well. We offer integration with popular payment gateways like Paytm, Razorpay, etc. for collecting processing fees and other charges from customer during the loan application stage. Schedule a call with our experts for a free product demo. We are happy to help you in your business transformation.